Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable floating keyboard using Google Gboard. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So the first thing you need to do is to open any chat. Suppose I open this chat. You can use any messenger or you can just access the keyboard by using even the search in your Android phones or any phones. So the first thing is that now you can see a keyboard which is not floating, but how you can make it floating. All you need to do is to tap on this icon and here you will see floating. So once you do that, as you can see now the keyboard become floating. You can actually take the keyboard and place it anywhere on the screen. So that is a floating keyboard and that is how you can enable it. If you want to disable it, again tap on that one and just one click and it will change back to the normal keyboard. So guys, this is all it takes to enable floating keyboard using Gboard. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.